Hello and welcome. First to unboxing of ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Pro motherboard, and then PC build with this motherboard and Antec NX300 gaming PC case. So this is the box with our motherboard, TUF Gaming B550 Pro, TUF Gaming Alliance, AI noise cancelling microphone gaming network solutions, 2.5G, dual M.2 heatsinks listed here as main features, CPUs supported, Ryzen 5, 4 and 3000 series, back panel I/O ports, plenty of USB, the newest one, 3.2 ports, 2.0 audio jacks and HDMI and display ports as well. In the box we get two SATA cables, pretty much standard. Then we get a small bag with rubber pads for one-sided M.2 SSDs. You will see how this is applied to your M.2 SSD. And another small bag with two standoffs and two screws for mounting the M.2 SSDs. Very nice looking I/O shield. Black, it will fit with the Antec case. Certificate of reliability. So ASUS claims they used quite good components in making this motherboard. Your page with all the TUF stickers that you need, a booklet and CD with drivers. Okay, let's check out the motherboard. Motherboard comes with 12 plus 2, all in all 14 Dr. Moss power stages, which means it can handle even the most power-hungry CPUs. Here we have two M.2 slots with heatsinks, the chipset, the SATA connectors. Over there's the audio chip and two PCI Express by 16 slots for your graphic card. Connectors standard here for front USBs, also sRGB LED control. At the back we can see four USB 2.0 ports, USB 3.2, USB-C 3.2, 2.5G LAN, two USB 3.2, HDMI port and display port. Connectors for audio, 5 of them and one digital, and the audio chip over there using the high quality Japanese capacitors. The motherboard looks amazing, as you can see. Let's start with mounting the I/O shield, and we can see that it is labeled. There is also a button for backflash and which USB port to use for backflash. Okay, first thing first, Ryzen 5 series 5600G will be installed here. I will use a non-box cooler. It will be LC Power's CC94. As I think it's much quieter, offers better performance, has more weight on it. It's also easier to mount, it uses these clips. And it should provide decent cooling for non-overclocked Ryzen 5 CPU. That's ready. I will use Corsair DDR4 RAM 3600 MHz speed XMP edition. Connected the CPU cooler. Pop in RAM memory. And let's now mount the M.2 SSDs. First we need to remove these heatsinks and also to remove the tape from that thermal pad. Here are the rubber pads and they go onto that rubber cube that we have on the motherboard. Find the right position for the size of your M.2 SSD. You'll need adapter or a screw with adapter to mount the standoffs properly. Rubber pads on, NVMe SSD on, actually in, and screw it in gently. Put back the heatsink the right way. Tighten it. The same thing goes with the second M.2.